Hello and welcome, welcome, welcome to BDSM and Kink 101, where we're going to dive in for beginners and newbies, and we're going to dive into safety and exploration. We're going to explore what all the meanings, all the terms mean, what are all the props, what do you do with them, how do you use them safely. I'll take you on a tour of my dungeon. So we're going to go on this adventure together. And the reason that I put together this course is because so many people come and talk to me as I'm a holistic sexual wellness specialist, if you don't know who I am, right? My name's Gaia Morrissette. And I also am a BDSM wellness guide. And I do a lot of work in helping people lean into their sexuality and their sexual desires and coming to a place of self-acceptance and self-love. And so when we're diving into the world of BDSM and kinky sex, there's a lot of shame, there's a lot of potential injuries, both psychologically, emotionally, and physically. And so it's really important to have the knowledge and the guidance so that you do it safely, so that you have lots of fun, that you don't destroy your relationship, that you can just utilize this stuff as a way to spice up your relationship, not only with your partner or partners, but with yourself and who you are as a sexual being. And diving into our deep sexual desires, which is where BDSM and kink live, that is a natural progression of human sexual development. So if you've been carrying some shame and carrying some stuff around thinking I'm a freak and a weirdo because I crave this, or I'm turned on by this, or I watched a movie and I got tingles, or I read a book and I got really excited, and you're like, what is wrong with me? There's nothing wrong with you. Nothing. It's nothing wrong with you. It's normal. Okay. And so in this course, we're going to explore all the variances and all the possibilities and how to move with it in a place of safety and self-acceptance. All right. So if you're like new to BDSM, you're curious about it, this is the course for you. If you're been in the closet for a while and you feel like there's something wrong with you, this is the course for you. We're going to dive into it all right? If you're, know that you're really into some kinky stuff, but you don't know how to communicate and you don't know how to come out of the closet with your partner or your partners about it, this is the course for you. I promise that this will be, and we're basically, we're going to go from, you may be vanilla, and you might be on the French vanilla side, and we're going to go take you into the, all the variable possibilities, Rocky Road and all sorts of other flavors of ice cream, okay? And when I say vanilla, here's my definition of vanilla. Vanilla is having any kind of sexual interaction that consists of intercourse with missionary position with the lights off. Anything outside of that can be considered kinky. And we're going to explore that. So as we go on this journey, it's going to be a gentle journey. It's not going to be radical like, oh my God, whoa, I am not okay. Whoa, red, not okay, poor vision. Right, we're going to do it slowly and in a gentle way, and progressed in the your rate of what you need, where you want to go, what knowledge you want to have. And we're not going to go from zero to hanging from the chandeliers, being spanked by a rubber chicken while wearing a tutu. We might get there. That might be your thing, and that's okay. All right. But we're going to do it in progress. We're not going to go from 0 to 60. All right. So let me take you on this adventure. I promise it will be fun and playful and safe and not scary. And I promise most of the time I'll have my hair in pigtails, and it'll be a very, very safe space. Okay? Even in my dungeon. My dungeon's not even very scary. It's like totally has lots of light in it. And it's not scary at all. Okay? So come, join us. This is going to be epic. Can't wait to see you. Bye.